Ambient lighting sets the vibe in your GTI. Let's take a look. Your ambient lighting will be on your home screen. So when you click on it here, then you'll have different moods. So you can have an infinity, eternity, desire, euphoria, vitality. Will basically change the layout of the way that the vehicle looks. Then you can also have a custom color. When you go into a custom color, you can change and pick the specific color that you're looking for. And you have a few different options. So when you do two colors, you can either have one solid color, which will be the first line, or you can split it between two colors. So this purple color will show on the higher levels of the vehicle, and the yellow will show in the darker, in the lower areas. And then this one will be like a three-tone. So it would be purple on the top, yellow in the middle, and then purple on the bottom again. This one, it's still kind of a little bit similar, but what's going to happen is you're going to have more purple at the top and less yellow at the bottom versus this one. Then you also have the brightness tab. When you click on that one, it's going to show you the areas where the ambient lighting will be visible. You can make them brighter, or you can make them a little bit lighter. Adjust that there, and then it will also be up there at the top and on the side doors as well. The one that's going to be at the bottom for the feet, if you notice there, as I make it brighter on the screen, it gets brighter in that area. That light's just going to be a plain white light. It's always going to stay that color. Then you will basically have the breakdown of how the ambient lighting, the moods, and the customization works. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, then you can drop them below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.